Self, in producer ID Kabasa,
Mm.
my friend Ifeomorigbe, a couple of us, we take it upon ourselves. Say this album, it must see the light of day.
Yeah.
So now, so the journey begins small, 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 small. ID Kabasa feel recruit a couple of people like Slatan, waiting be name Bella Shmoda.
Mm.
We also bring Two Face
Mm.
and
A
so
guy.
yeah, a guy. So now, so all of them just join together, put some vocals together on this first EP, and then the next set of EP self they come out. So
Oh, another set of.
another set they come. So I just want to say make in fans people wey dey say this man don go when they hear the kind thing wey they talk, the reality wey they talk. So make we give them something wey dem sef go fit hold, wey dem go fit appreciate, wey dem go fit hear that voice, wey dem go reminisce say this guy do something and he talk when he dey around, and as well as the commercial implication too, make we fit give something to him family, make dem feel say na my papa work na him be this.
Oh, good. So the family they in sync with you now, because I can't dey think say whether na only you they in charge of you.
No. The project is, as you know, one first and foremost in the Ninja as an artist and as a director, which I represent. But everything for here now, immediate family now we dey give the proceed to most of everybody wey dey the project. Most of, to be honest, the Belashmoda, the Slatan, the everybody gave out the rights and everything.
Then give out the right.
100%. So everybody must like just do something. Say, make we support this guy. Make we support this project. Make we support.
Are you serious? Big shout out to all the artists. Then we jump on top this one. Big shout out to all of them for supporting Bella Shmuda. Big shout out Zlatan. Big shout out to all of them. Of course, a guy I know that one. Two Face Idibia. Big shout out to you too. For the support for the Sultan project. And then the album title now waiting.
The album is titled Call and Reality Check. And like typical Sultan, he talk a lot of things. He talk about, say, friendship, the kind of friend where you get. Who be your friend really? If you sleep, make you wake up, make you know who be your friend. And now the expression of how he feel during his last days, because he really people show and love. Since he get friends. So that's why we released that one as the first single. Then he also get Reality Check, and he also talk about, and then the one with Two Face na Siren, we talk about the pain where the people they feel, and the gap between leadership and the average people. And the real reality check now the album be, because everything we touch about now things where would they deal with, things where they pain for heart. So that's why the album is called Reality Check.
All right, and then una dey hear about the album with Sultan, but this album dey everywhere, dey every platform.
Yeah, the album don't come out now. It's distributed by Empire Music. It dey on every platform. They don't put them everywhere. Spotify, linked everywhere where you fit think of a music platform. It dey there, and it dey YouTube. It dey everything. The first video don't come out. We're working on the next video.
Okay, so those of now where they there will be Sultan fan, right from beginning, from the days of Jagbajantis. Those of now we being fan, make una just do it in go all the platforms. Then make you go download this whole the new songs. Reality Check now within they call this particular jam, the particular album. But then I know say get some other projects where then they do for the Ninja stroke Sound Sultan. I see clothing line, I see airport, I see. So just run through some of the things them.
We still there as a label. We still they function as a label. That's Ninja Records. But most importantly, for Sound Sultan, we they hope to keep a memory alive. The airport they come out, eternal Sound Sultan brand, special airport where you go fit hear better music, because everything complete from bass to treble and everything. That one they come out. And this December as well, we get Sound Sultan basketball tournament for your favorite cost for Festac Town. You go there 2 days where the winner go fit win like 2 million as team. And then again, Ninja they produce our annual Festac Music Festival this December again, where go happen. So we get a lot of things lined up one after the other, but most importantly, for this sake of night right now, Sound Sultan are in the na him dey the front burner.
And then he get something where they do with knack, the branded clothes.
The new you know, like we already have this clothing line thing going on, but right now we dey partner with knack.
Yeah.
Because knack don already take am international, everybody knows. So we do competition for young designers across Nigeria, where one person take win 1 million naira as the Sound Sultan official designer for knack.
Yeah.
So we put that one out, and the clothes go soon roll out too, as well as the airport and this is the
then album. I know about the jungle
story. Yeah,
jungle story. Yeah,
story,
if he discuss with me.
Yeah, you know everything.
Yeah, I did the movement now.
Yeah, you know everything.
If he discuss with me.
So they look at also bringing that jungle story in the form of hologram and some other things like that. Where would they put on? So just to, like I say, good friends like if you're Morigbe of Now Music, ID Kabasa, Yaw yourself, and all of Nawe Sultan don't work with over the years. You have made this thing possible. You have made everything very, very achievable. And me, you know, say me are the running between countries. So
yes.
For all this thing to be possible, you know, say no be by my power, now by the people we get around as friends, where they help push the whole thing.
And then you know, for some people we know me with them they talk till in person. You know, we they communicate and all those stuff from back to back, and then even when he enter coma, when he wake up, when he tell me and all those stuff. So we they talk, but then plenty people still they talk say, but Sultan know they drink, Sultan know they smoke, so we take on kill him.
My brother, if that's how they fight, if I don't see any of my child now where they good, I go they beat and say me a bad small.
Because we take
good people, they always die first.
I
don't notice that thing. Those bad people where they close, they block road. Whether they use a stone, they block road. Say make it no park there. You go see Baba know they good die. Now the good people now they always die. You know, so it's unfortunate, you know, because the whole thing is just God, you know, because as if person tell me say Sultan no go do this, I no go ever believe him. It just come from nowhere and everything happens so fast. But make we thank God, because some people say they don't live, they go live 80 years, they no go live the impact.
Yeah, we Sultan
live. If you look at Bob Marley na 33 years when he died, Tupac na 28 years. But people they talk about them till today. So such is Sultan. He run a race like saying no, say the time short. He no leave space.
Yeah,
he running within children. If we go get show, he go carry the children go the hotel.
I know now waiting at they tell people say
he go lodge for the hotel within children. So there was no space. If na weekend they want do the show, now so they go deal with her as long as say na Lagos.
I know.
No believe, so he closed everything.
He pay me. I they tell people say anyway, Sha. Anyway,
nah, so even us when we they talk, the only thing we join all of us together, we know they talk about na death. One day everybody say go now go say this guy don't go. Of recent, you know, say as people they die, we go they say this one don't die, that one don't die, this one maybe now me I can't tell myself say this thing way that they talk, so if I say I don't they old, because that year if they talk say person die, now one uncle, I one auntie, now our peers.
Yes, we don't
the old sport. I be that now. What do you mean be that? I did somewhere yesterday where they host me, and I remember who carry me go that place. Who they carry me come that place now? OJB
Jazz real.
I can't remember say OJB don't
Self
go.
don't go.
Normals
don't go.
Sultan don't go. You understand? So na matter of time. So we'll just do well, because all of us now the thing we join all of us together. We will know they talk about with that. Nobody go come out here alive. Sound Sultan's handle is still operation. That is Sound Sultan.
Yeah, we get one guy we go hack the account.
Yeah.
But the guy they mean.
Bro, you know this life and the kind of.
And now when Sultan just die, you never too tay. The guy go hacking account.
Yesterday night, this guy they write me. The guy still they write me. I don't forgive him. We don't forgive him. And I make sure say the police release him before I come out.
Oh, they don't release him because I know say police arrest him.
But I make sure say they release him.
And a young man, when a young boy,
he's a promising boy. He's an artist.
Na musician.
Na artist.
He dey draw.
He dey draw. So the whole thing now say I dey tell the boy now. He still dey write me yesterday. I say I don't forgive you. In family don't forgive you. All of us don't forgive you. Make you just go and do that.
This since no more,
because in really he feels sorry, because he can't understand the whole thing, because this no be say you just pick somebody random account.
Handle.
You pick everything wey this guy don do for him life, and you want to mess it up just like that, but he sef realize, na lack of opportunity for this our young boys wey the country create, na dey make them dey go put eye for those kind things. How you go wan hack dead person account wey be say na wetin take live be that, and the person na artist like you? But say all done and well, we get the account back, the account dey operate, and the boy, young man, we don forgive you, we no get anything against you. Make you live your life right. That's the only thing.
Make you live in life right. All right, thank you so much.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oya, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.